Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, June 24th, 2024. So, so let's take a quick recap from my last trade on Friday, which was somewhere around here. We entered in a 5 minutes bullish impulsive candle, and my upward target was up around this area, but I decided to close before since it was Friday and I wanted to take my profits and go out. Right, so I took the profit around here on all of my accounts, as I have shared in my last video. So we see what the market has for us today. I'm going to I'm going to make the markups again so that we have a better outlook for today. I'm going to delete all these markups from before. I'm going to do it in a fresh trade. So as you can see, it's in a weekly time frame, and we could make a possible support area on this 37,850 on this area. The daily time frame, you can see it's something similar. We can scroll a bit down, 730. Sorry. So we can also make a support around this area, which has hold the price from before, as you can see in this area around here. And in short term, you can scroll to 4 hours candle, and you can see that we have a good support outlook in here, this area out here, because before you can see the price has rejected from here. The price has been rejected to our upside from this level, and then when the price broke below, it rejected from this level. As long as the price remained under this zone, it was under pressure, since it was a bullish since it was a bearish bias. As soon as the price broke out from this area, it shooted up. You can see the price has been rejected from here multiple times, like this area here, towards the upside as well. You can see here, you can see here as well. So this area has been a potential support for US30. All right, on here as well, you can see. So I'm gonna clean these markups because it's not needed, just to explain you guys. So as my previous markups here in the supply zone, the price has been successfully crossed this area, and it made the resistance as a support for now. As you can see, the price here broke below, and then it kept pushing down. It got in the support area here, shooted up, and then there were multiple CPIs here and NFPs, and the price has rejected from this level quite a few times. You can see the price has rejected from here once, and then price has rejected again, and then finally in the last trading day, which was on Friday, the price has broke above this zone, which was a supply zone for me. And if we can also put it like this, because the wick always holds liquidity, which is around this area. Look, this area, the price tried to break above on Friday, but I was very sure that the price would break above, and I was planning to place another buy order around this area, but the price got rejected and came back into this support area here. You can see the price has been in this support area. You can take it a bit up here on this area. So for today, I got a trade in the London session, which I took on my ECN brokers, not on my funded accounts or FTMOs. It was something like this in a break of structure. You can see the price broke the structure. There was a shift of the structure here. There was a shift of structure in lower time frame in 1 minute as well, but as you know guys that I only prefer 5 minutes for my entries. There was a break of structure very well here. The structure broke. There was an open imbalance, and then the price came back up to this zone to take the liquidity, and it gave you multiple chances. As you can see, the price again broke this structure out here and went up for the liquidity, which was lying around this area, around this area here. So I got into a very good trade on my ECN brokers, but I do not trade on my funded accounts on my prop firms, because as I told you guys that I'm going to only trade US30 on those. As you can see, there's again a structure shift, and there can be a possible entry around this time. But since the New York Stock Exchange is about to get open in 15 minutes, I would not get do any trades for here, because as you can see the price has already, wait, I'm gonna show you something. As you can see, the price has been above this area, which is a potential buy for me, but at the same time in the smaller time frame you can just short from the top if you entered in the London session. But since I don't trade on London on my prop firms account, I see the support here around this area is very like it's very possible for the price to retrace. But hold on for a second. Hold on for a second. Well, anyway, sorry for the distraction. So here we go again. The price here is very bullish according to me, according to my analysis, according to the market structure, according to the price action. The price is very bullish, so I would not like to enter to any sell around here in London or in any session on my prop firms. But yeah, for short terms you can just trade. But anyway, so I'm gonna make you guys concrete markup so that you guys could have a better outlook for today. So the price here, you can see the price here in 4 hours. Look, in the day time frame, the price is bullish. It has surpassed this area, which is a clear sign of a break of structure from the lower side, from the sell side. And in 4 hours you can see the price has successfully managed to come across this area of resistance. So and on my with my point of view, I would be very thoughtful if the price comes back to this area to have any buy opportunities, unless and until I see any structure shift towards upside. When the price is around this area, I'm not going to enter. But in 1 hour you can see the price here can also have a support, because that's how US30 trades. the price can be, this area here can also be a support area. All right, so I'm going to wait patiently because there's 10 minutes left for the bank to get open. In 30 minutes you can see the price again, that in 30 minutes the price has broken this support, so it's very likely that the price would come back to this area around here in 1 hour. Plus in 4 hours you can see the price here is very likely to take this imbalance here. All right, so as long as the price remains above this level, we will be planning on buying. We will be looking for trades on the buy side, and since you can see the price have a very good potential to come around this area, because this has become a very good support, plus the imbalance lies in this area. So I will not look up for sell unless and until the price breaks below this area. All right, in 1 hour, or maybe this below this area. So I would not look for any sell as long as the price stays above this area. So let's scroll back in 15 minutes and 5 minutes to see what's going on. In 5 minutes the price in 5 minutes the price is shifting down, but you can see that the structure is still maintained in 5 minutes. How did you phone? Not charged. Can you give me the power bank? Keep moving the room. Thanks. So the structure here is maintained. As long as the price doesn't break the structure, we will not call it a BOS in the main time frame, which is 15. In 30 minutes you can see the price is also falling down very well. So this area remains for the support. There's 7 minutes left for the bank to get open. In 4 hours you can see the price has very well managed to break above this area, which was holding the price for like 2 days, 1 day, from 21st of June till 20, all right, for 21st of June, like on Friday. So this area has broken very well in 1 hour as well. You can see the price has broken in a very good way. So we will see if, look, the week to week thing that I used to tell you guys, it's very true on US30. Look, for the confluence for the short term, I'll draw a trend line which could add some interest on our trading map, which is something like this, like this, or like this, like this. So the price has been bullish since 15th of 14th of June. So let's get it right again. 4 hours, we can see the price here. Let's remove this, let's keep the chart clean. We can see the price has broken above this area, which was the potential resistance. 1 hour as well, the price has broken above this level, which is very nice to rely on bullish trading ideas. So that's in 30 minutes as well, 15 minutes as well. So let's see what's going on in 5 minutes. 5 minutes here is looking very good for a bullish output today, but let's see. I'm going to draw a zone, which I do always, as you guys know. That's the only strategy that I rely completely, but at the same time I will be looking very closely towards the structure and the impulse of the candle. Right, so this is my temporary zone. This is my main structure to be broken if the price decides to go upwards. Look, in 3 minutes maybe the price has gone to take some imbalance of 1 minute, which is the possible case that I see for sell, which is this area around here. But since we wait for the bank candle to close, we will wait very patiently to see what happens. If the price invalidates this area of imbalance and close above this zone, I would potentially look for a buy around this area, but for that I have to be very sure, since the price has left a very huge imbalance here. You can see around this area it's complete imbalance. Around here as well in the bottom, but considering the bullish momentum, I would just see if the price invalidates this area and take out the structure, then we are good to go, I suppose. Either way, there are only two things, either stop loss or take profit, so we'll see. This is the candle of 1525. We will wait for another candle, because this looks like clearly it has invalidated the structure here for a bullish momentum, but we will again wait for the candle of 330 to get close, and then we will see how it goes. Alright, the first structure here, the second structure is here. This imbalance has successfully taken out. Maybe price is going to take some imbalance here as well, but we need this candle to close above this area so that we could rely a bit. But still, the 330 candle is yet to come. Which looks really good. Really, really good. This candle here, look, this the 15 minutes candle around this area has invalidated 1 and 2 candle. We will wait for this candle to close above this so that we have a confirm entry for the buys. As long as the price get rejected from this area, we are not gonna do anything. We're not gonna look for the buys. The price has to be successfully close above this area in order to get any buys. All right. Let's see, 4 minutes to go. Looks like in 1 minute the price got rejected but failed to close bearish, so maybe we could have a chance, but it all depends on the candle. Yeah, the price here has kept, this area has kept the structure alive, but as long as the price doesn't close below. So we have 2 points of interest here. Wait, one is here and one is this. So let's see. I would love to have a sell since there is an open imbalance here and it could give you a promising take profit. A very promising take profit around this area here. So I think it is. If the price closes below, then we can enter a potentially sell on trade. But since this wick is very huge, I will have a doubt. But look, the price is doing what it does always. It needs to get closed first. The candle needs to get closed, only then we will look for any possible trade. In 15 minutes this candle is very good. This candle formation is very good. 30 minutes no, because the price failed to close above this area, so the sell on 30 minutes doesn't look very good to me. The buy on 30 minutes doesn't look very good to me. We will wait very patiently for the price to see what it does. One minute 18 seconds to go. What's going on in 3 minutes? Nineteen seconds to go. Seconds. If the price doesn't close properly, I would not enter for a sell. I need the price to close with a bearish impulse, which I think it is. So I'm going to enter around this area. this area here. I will wait for the candle to do its thing. Well, with my point of view, it's a bit early to enter because the direction is still not very clear to me. I would like these 15 minutes to close first, or maybe I should just enter here. I have entered. I have entered price, and I'm gonna set my stop loss to 280. 39 to 80. $39 to 80. Let's see what the price has got for us. I'm gonna make some area for the take profit, which potentially could be around this area. I'm not hoping too much for this from this trade, because since it's a buy impulse, this opportunity is only for a short term sell. This have entered at 29. So let's see how this candle closes. This area is very conflictive out here. Look, this area around here could be a point of sell, a point of buy orders. So in 3 minutes, it doesn't look good. There are wicks, so I would possibly close this trade. I think I would close this trade since in 3 minutes it doesn't look good to me. But let's see how it closes in 5 minutes. In 3 minutes, I didn't realize the price here has got a really high big wicks, so I would possibly close this trade around here. Price comes back. I'll wait for the 22 seconds of this 5 minutes candle. I'll close when it comes to the break even. If it comes to the break even, because the price, I didn't see the impulsive candles here in 3 minutes. I didn't see it. So I would just like to close this trade maybe just right now. Yeah, I would close the trade right now. I didn't see the candles in 3 minutes. That was my mistake. So I would just close this trade right now. Or maybe just wait for the stop loss to hit if it decides, which is very likely. It's very likely. So I have closed the trade. I'm out. It hit the stop loss and I've closed the trade. I would now like to see if any impulsive movement towards upside. Would like to see if the candle closes towards upside. I didn't see this candle around here. That was my mistake, and I had paid the price. Maybe it was I would wait for this entire structure to get out. There's a possible entry around this area as well, but I'm not going to enter unless I see a structure shift towards upside around this area. Mondays are always manipulative, so I'm down here with $544 on this trade, so it's okay. It's okay. It just came to hit my stop loss at 281. I will wait for a structure shift towards upside or to the downside. Maybe I need to see something like this or something like this. It just literally came to hit my stops. Look, around 280. Whew. Well, anyway, never mind. I'll be looking forward to take another trade. If I get on buy. For sells, I'm not going to wait for any trades. If I see any trades for buy, I would like to enter. The sell, I was not convinced, since as I told you before that the bias was buy. The price is very buoyant, so I'm going to wait for some time to see if there's any potential chance for a buy, because with this candle out here, we can see in 15 minutes the candle closed in this same area of support. So I would like to see some breakout above this, some invalidation in the bearish candles, and then we will see if we can get something. All right. Since today it's like there's no news on anything. The market is very dumb. It's trying to range around this area. Has been ranging since London Open. This area out here is a very crucial zone to break. I'll wait for this zone to break to see any possible buys. What's going on in 1 minute? The price is taking the imbalance in 1 minute, you can see here. As well, the price is holding very good around this area. 3 minutes, so we'll see the price if it managed to break above this line of control for the sellers. The price breaks above, closes above, I would like to enter for a buy, because buy has got a potential on US30. Around this area, 2 minutes to go. Let me see in 1 hour what's going on here. Four hours as well. The price is still okay. That looks good. That looks good. I'd like to enter at 280 where I hit my stops. If the price comes back, very good, very well played. Or maybe I would just like to enter here in a 15 minutes area around here. Very well. The price tricked me so badly today, motherfucker. Wow. I would like to enter around here if the price comes back. I would like to enter around here or around here. Here or around here. Depends on my accounts. Maybe in some account I'll enter around here, and some account I'll enter around here, which is 281. Only if the price comes down, yeah. which I doubt. Wow, price has been shooting up like horses. Yeah, look at it. Seriously, bro. This area out here was the real support. We should have valued it more than anything else. So, well, let's see. The price has something for us. We'll see if there's any weak formation in 15 minutes. I think we missed the trade on buy since the price didn't come to retrace any retracement. In 3 minutes, let me analyze today what happened really. The only thing that I didn't do is to check on 3 minutes if the price has rejected or the price has closed. Since in 5 minutes you can see the price has closed very well here, but this area I should have checked it once again. This area, the since I told you that I didn't have much of hopes on the sell side today, but that's how it is. You just get trapped sometimes when the market plays with you. You gotta be smart enough to see what the market is trying to do. But that was a damn 2 hour, bro. Seriously, this trade I missed it, dude. Seriously, I've been waiting for the buys. Since 2 3 weeks. I mean, not 2 3 days. But we did something on Friday. We entered a buy, but as you saw that the price got rejected, we got out with 1 hour. But anyway, 15 minutes is huge, man. Like, seriously huge. And I doubt if the price comes down, I would not enter just like that with a market order. I'll just like to see something, because it's already $100 up from where the price broke. Potentially more. There's an open sky for US30 here. The price of rejection could be around this area. My goodness, that was a hell good of trade, bro. Hell of a trade today. These two areas is a possible rejection, but I doubt, since the price is so bullish, they'll just take it out, in just 1 or 2 candles. In a big time frame, the price has become bullish in a very good way. Hello? See? Look in the 4 hours time frame, the price has already become bullish. Miss this beauty, bro. Seriously. Well, but anyway, it's okay. Well, we'll wait for 10 more minutes. We see if something interesting happens. Otherwise, I'll sign off because, as you guys know, that I take only one stops per day, maximum two. But I don't think I'll get a chance for the second one. Price has already broken up, so I'll just call it a day and see what we have for tomorrow. Look forward for it. My god, the price is like skyrocketing. Yeah. So here is it. Here it is. I'm going to share my trades for from today on the US session. What really happened here? We just failed to see the 3 minutes rejection here. If I saw it before, I wouldn't have dared to enter for a sell. In 5 minutes, it just tricked us with this huge bearish impulsive candle, and we failed to see that that there was a support around this area as well. There was an order block from around this area, but it's okay. Let's see what we have for tomorrow. I'm going to share you guys my trade so that you could see that there's not always profit, there's stops and take profits, everything. It's not just one-sided. If someone shows you profit and no loss, that means that something is shady going on, because because when you start trading you have to admit that there are profit and there are losses. Look, as you know that this is my 200k account, this is my 100k, and this is my 100k. So today we took a trade around this area on sell, and we had a stop loss of 544, 1 hour, minus 1 hour, minus 1 hour. So in total I am in minus 3 hour for today in all of my accounts in total. So we hit a stop loss today, but that's okay, that's the part of the game. I will see if I get any further trades, maybe a buy or maybe as well as a sell, if I see a structure shift, which I would not be very convinced, but I would just take my chances. Maybe here if I see the price ranges like this, and if it breaks this kind of consolidation here, like if the price is ranging for a while, like for a while, not just like 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and if it breaks I would try to enter on this area to target below this imbalance. So maybe I'm not very I would not be very convinced on taking a sell, but still I would also be looking for a buy. But let's see if the price comes around this area, like not in one go, like if the price ranges and it breaks this area and it comes back here, I would look for a structure shift for taking out the higher low and higher high. I would probably enter like this for further bullish TP, maybe around this area as well. So that's it for today. I'm going to be live for only one trade, as this channel is all about one trade, one trading strategy, and one session and one pair. So that's all for today. I hope you guys learned something from this. This was a fake breakout which I didn't see because I didn't scroll to my lower time frame just to see what's going on, and that was the reason that I missed that I ended up taking a wrong trade on US30. I should have waited for this move, this kind of move. Like you can see the price when it starts shooting up, it invalidates the previous resistance like this, and then it does a retracement and then it goes up as it does always. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching if you guys are watching, and see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.